one that I came up with, I went to the hardware store and I got these things called heavy duty mini dots. Now, basically they look like this. They come in a packet, they're only like $3. Velcro front, sticky on the back, heavy duty stick on the back. Once you stick, it sticks. And there's a male side and a female side, and one dot from each side connects to itself. So I basically put one dot inside of the helmet. Everyone's full face helmet will have the same. There's a gap inside the front of the helmet. One dot on the front of the helmet, and I put one dot on the back of a little magnet that I had lying around the house. I couldn't do it to the DJI magnet because it's both sides are magnetic, but I had these on the fridge. One side's plastic, the other side's magnetic. I stuck it to the plastic side inside the helmet, and I just stuck the mic to it. So now in the helmet it sits like that, just off my mouth, just off my mouth. But seeing as though they're so small, I just put like a whole bunch in there, and I kind of found a good spot. And even with the dead mouse on there, in my helmet at least, I've got full face helmet. And even with the full face helmet and the dead mouse on there, I've got room. It doesn't really touch or rub against my mouth. You can even take it off. And I tried it at 80 k's an hour, I tried it at 100 k's an hour, and it wasn't really that bad. Okay, so this is what it sounds like inside the helmet. Like I said, I've got room. I just put the first dot that's on the inside lining of the helmet. I just put it like in 10 different places. I wasted one whole packet, to be honest. And I just found the perfect spot where the dead mouse was far enough away from my mouth or my nose that it wasn't rubbing against my nose, because it is a little bit annoying. Or you can do it without the dead mouse and you can put it anywhere, I guess. You'll have plenty of room. So yeah, just a little hack. I thought maybe it'll work for you. Hopefully it does, and I'm sure it will. It will.